Hey, I'm going to show you something I think every drywall hanger should know when it comes to finishing. What we have to go through as a drywall finisher. Now, I am not a drywall hanger. I am a drywall finisher. I have been finishing drywall since 1976. Back in 1976 through probably the mid-90s, there were hangers and there were tapers. And when somebody claimed to be both, they probably weren't either. You're going to do one or the other better. And I can hang drywall, don't get me wrong, but I would never consider myself a drywall hanger. A good drywall hanger can put up 50, 60 sheets, 12-foot sheets in a day by himself. I cannot. Okay, but they can't finish either. But right here, I'm going to zoom in on this. I'm going to show you something. Let's see, let me zoom back a little bit. These right here, these are misses. So what happened is they put the screw in, they pulled the screw out, and they left a little dimple. If I just spot this, you'll see I've got ridges. I've got ridges all over here. So after I do that, I can either take my finger and push it in, or I can take the end of my knife, which is what I do, and I push it in with the end of my knife, and then I spot it again. Now it's ready to skim. That's all ready to skim. But that is so much work. And if you just mark the studs, if you're doing a lot of misses, and I have a lot of misses actually on this job, but if you have a lot of misses and you're having to pull the screws back out and leave all these things in, you are giving me 3 times the amount of work that I should have. I should be able to walk in here and just spot the screws. If you just took the time and marked the studs at first, you don't have to keep doing it. If you're not hanging drywall every day, day after day, day after day, you get a lot of misses. Let me show you. I'm gonna undo my camera so I can carry it around. But let me show you. Let's see. Miss. 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 There are a lot of them. There are a lot of them. On one area, I had probably 5, 6 of them in one spot. I mean, there's one here. There's a lot of them here. There's 1, 2. But if you mark the studs to start with, if you're not hanging day after day after day, and you start marking these studs, by the time you get one room done, you're going to get right back into the swing of it, and you don't have to mark the studs anymore. You're going to be able to spot them. You're going to be able to hit it without a problem. But at first, you kind of got to get the pattern down, know where you're at, know what you're doing. Once the pattern's down, you can carry it throughout the rest of the job. So stop the misses, guys. It gives us a lot more work than is necessary. You guys have a good day. If you really like these videos, subscribe, share these videos. I've got new camera shots. I've got new sound system. I hope all of the sound quality's better, the camera shots are better. So come and see me on my new channel. Subscribe, share. We hope to see you there. You have a good day.